Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. Today we will explore the step-by-step process of creating a stunning lotus flower oil pastel drawing. Here I have shared the drawing and the reference image I found on Pinterest. First, gently erase the pencil marks so that you can then outline the lines using a pink colored pencil. You need to do this because when you apply pink oil pastel, it will blend with the color pencil. Drawing over pencil marks will result in visible black lines, which is why this step is necessary. Well, for this drawing, I am using both Faber Castell and Camel oil pastels. Let me summarize the entire process. If you are working on dark petals, start by using a pink oil pastel, then apply white oil pastel. After blending the colors, use a Faber Castell color pencil in magenta to draw lines for a realistic look. For light colored petals, start with a white layer before using pink. I used Camel oil pastels for the petals and both Faber Castell and Camel oil pastels for the background. If you are interested in the drawing of this lotus, I plan to create a live video. I am currently working on it. Once everything is ready, I will schedule the live session. Before that, I will ask for some suggestions. Keep an eye on my community post for updates on what I will be asking. Well, let's start outside of this drawing session just as friends. There are many things I can't fully explain here. I always aim to keep my video short due to storage limitations. Some might suggest buying a drive to save files, but I don't have the means to afford one. My existing drives are already full with my videos. I thought that if people were more interested in my content and return frequently, I could earn enough to buy a higher capacity drive and create longer, more engaging content. As you can see, the video quality isn't great, especially in low light conditions where it becomes blurry. I considered investing in a better camera, but it didn't yield the expected results. It seems like YouTube might not be favoring my channel as it doesn't reach many people. Alternatively, it's possible that people simply don't enjoy my content. To anyone interested in art, please let me know what kind of content you would like to see. I will do my best to provide valuable content.